Hello, welcome back to my couch and my apartment, and welcome back to another photo adventure. Today might end up being more of like a meet. I'm not really sure. There's been a lot of people invited. I'm not sure how many are going to show up, but it was started by my friend Mike, who lives a little bit farther out in Lake Elsinore. It's about an hour and 15 minutes away, and he's coming in to hang out. And I'm going to show him the ropes a little bit on some film. He just got a Canon A1, and so I'm going to bring my old Canon FTB. Sorry, my dog's making noises. And he is also a Fuji guy, so we're going to have a little Fuji gang going on. We both have XT4s, and we're going to meet at Echo Park. We're going to start there, and then I think we're going to be doing like a neon tour of downtown. We're going to go from Echo Park, I think, to the Paradise Motel, from there to Chinatown, from Chinatown maybe to City Hall, and then from there to Grand Central Market, and then from Grand Central Market to the light at the end of the tunnel, which I did a vlog on not too long ago. I think it was like maybe 2 vlogs ago. Anyway, I'll link it down below and up here in this thing, whatever that thing up there is, the I button. And then possibly the Wilshire Grand. And a lot of the stuff is going to be changed a little bit since it's June. This is Pride Month here in LA, and it lights up like a rainbow, so a lot of these buildings in City Hall should be pretty lively tonight, and we're going to see what we can do with that. I might do some droning too, but it's a little bit it's kind of windy, and lately the marine fog has been coming in kind of early, so it might get gray and drab, but we'll see. So anyway, follow along, and I will introduce you to everyone else who is going to come if they all show up. It could be quite a turnout, so it'll be a great night.
Bloop. Bloop.
I've been on a vibe, kinda hard to describe. I'm in between, I'm good and it's fine, but I'm tired of the grind. Then I come alive in the night to realize I'm in the middle of the time of my life. I'm never so packed for the stack, never lied on the rap.
Bloop.
The game's getting bigger. Here's Mikey, the Canon A1.
Oh, what's up? I was like,
Daner, Paul. I'm gonna get my film camera out now, the FTB, and I'm gonna see if Mikey wants to use any of my lenses I brought with me. This is a great place for color film photography. Mikey, he's trying my telephoto on his film camera for the first time. That's it right there. Yep, it telescopes too, so if you want to go zoom it, just push it.
oh, I got you.
There you go, 100 to 200. I love how this bird's right here just sitting on the top of the head of the lady at the lake. All of us, I think, just flew drones. Everybody flew a drone. And next, we're gonna go to somewhere to do neons. That's what tonight's pretty much mostly about, is neon signs, all the rainbows that are lit up for the month of June. So I think the next stop is gonna be the Paradise Motel on Sunset. All right,
Oh, Dustin's not going.
we're finished up at the Echo Park, the swan boats. Look at the beautiful swan. The homies are here. Now we're going to Paradise Motel. It's gonna be a neon night. Neons all over the
night.
neons, yeah. Sunset, or no, Paradise. What else? Chinatown, City Hall,
Grand Central Market,
Grand Central, Tunnel,
City Hall.
and the tunnel, everything. Lots of neons tonight. So we're leaving Echo Park now. See the swan boats back here and the homies. I'm gonna use the bathrooms real quick and head to Paradise Motel. All right, so here we are, Paradise Motel. It's been featured in a lot of films, a lot of TV shows like The OC and Freddy Krueger. I don't remember which one, but anyway. We got some neon tubes that we might get out and put down here on the ground to light these guys up, more of like a silhouette as a subject. And then running across the street over here, there's an LA Dodger symbol, which I showed in, excuse me. Anyway, there's a LA Dodger logo stamped on the ground in the bus lane. So you go over there, get low to the ground, and you can get this in the background along with downtown LA. So I might run over there and do that if traffic cooperates. And then we'll be on to the next stuff. Look what happened. Somebody, or the tree, has really made this gross. So this picture isn't gonna be that great, at least from here. We're out here just playing around with some RGB lights.
Get lower.
Trying to make some moody, interesting shots here with Daner holding a
Daner's my
lightsaber.
model.
Daner's the model. Mikey's the director. And everyone else is over there across the street
All right,
shooting.
ready?
All right, so right now we've got a full production set up here. We turned this into a portal / Matrix phone.
What's that the show?
Doctor Who?
Yeah, that one. Doctor Who.
It's bigger on the inside than the outside.
I wish we had a real thing.
Say what's up, Mickey.
It's a video. It's a video.
You're very great tonight. So many friends.
Just finished up some moody phone booth photos. Now we're gonna get some pizza and go to Chinatown.
I never take out my phone when we shoot.
More neons, more moody stuff.
Bro, I should start doing it.
Domino's
Coconut.
mocha nut. Domino's, Chinatown, Daner, Mikey. Walking around Chinatown right now, it's really busy. A couple bars in here are just hopping off. Lines are all the way around the building. But now we're just out here taking pictures of random things. And this might be a little gross, but I think I just saw a rat go into the rat trap. So I think it just walked into its own doom. Anyway. Like I said, we're just trying to take pictures of random things. Not really sure what. And there's some interesting things here that are closed that have just kind of a, I don't know, a mood about them that are fun to photograph. So this is the last stop for the night. So after this, we're out of here.
Yeah. You will.
Come on.
Yeah, no one is clicking.
I'm going home.
You having fun with your toys while I was gone? Looks like you're having fun with your toys. All right. I've returned home. It's almost 1 a.m. and I was gone quite a bit longer than I thought, but I had fun. I met some new people. And that's fun. The dog is being loud, drinking again. Anyway, I'm gonna dump all this data off my card and go to sleep.